Hi there, I hope you're all doing well. This week I finally get around to painting up the blue brutes for the Flashpoint game. To get started, I primed him black and gave all of the skin a once over with Dusty's skull. The bulk of this mini will be the same as the red brute, although there are going to be some differences as I'm painting them a few months apart, so I have forgotten some of the colours I used and I've run out of some of the colours I used. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You can also join Discord, use the link in the description, where you can share anything you have been hopping on, or just hang out and chat. I hope you enjoy the video and find it useful. Brightening up the skin and getting the start on some definition, I grabbed skeleton, bone and went over all of the raised parts, focusing mostly towards the top of the mini with a scratchy pattern to get some fur look in there. Just like the red brute, all of the skin gets thinned down with bone wash. This tints everything a little bit warmer, but being thinned down does leave those brighter highlights in place. That is the skin finished off, so I can move on to the undersuit with a base coat of smoke black to start with. I gave this a couple of coats to really get full coverage and make sure I get all of the recesses done, as the wash would also darken them down a little bit further if I missed them out now and it would look a bit weird. Getting in the midtone, I mixed some smoke black and ash grey together. This step covers the majority again, just leaving that smoke black in the recesses between the panels and some of the deeper shadows. The last step on the undersuit is some pure ash grey just around the edges of the panels and some of the flat areas facing upwards towards the top of the mini. For the brutes, they have some straps holding all of their armour panels on, so these will get done with leather brown. Also done the base at this point, getting it ready for the dry brush later. To get a quick highlight on the leather, I mixed in some sunny skin tone and went around all of the edges. I tried to keep this highlight fairly scratchy just to get a little bit of texture into that leather parts. Moving on to the main part of the mini, I start off with all of the black panels. These will get a base coat of black and dark sea green. I went with this over just pure black so that I have somewhere for the wash to darken down later on. The last step is going to be used as the mid-tone, so this step is just some medium sea grey around the edges of the panels. I get most of the edges with this, it's only the deeper shadowed panels that don't get a highlight. A few of the edges towards the top of the mini get a second coat as well, brightening them up a little bit further. Even though I brightened up some of the edges further, I want the corners and sharper features to be even brighter, so I mixed some dark sea green and blue grey together and just went around these parts a little bit more. The longest part of the mini now gets started with some witching hour blue over all of the remaining armor panels. This covers a lot worse than I thought it would, so I gave it a few coats before moving on. That way I get a nice smooth solid colour. Unlike with the black, I'm going to add a mid-tone onto the blue armour. This is done by mixing Witching Hour blue and Relic blue. The main goal of this step is to brighten up the panels facing upwards and help add some definition into those lower panels. The last step of the blue is just some pure relic blue around the edges of the panels, but also across the tops of the flat areas facing upwards. This doesn't cover great, so it really helps build gradient towards those brighter edges. With the bulk of the mini now done, I can get started on finishing touches. The first of which is on all of these silver parts. These get done with plate mail metal. The base now gets a quick touch up with some Vambrace brown, just across the tops of the texture base in a dry brush fashion. While I wait for the base to dry, I washed all of the metal and the black parts with some dark tone wash. I thinned this down a fair bit in order to stop the staining. It wouldn't be so bad on the silver parts, but on the undersuit I think it would take away a lot of the layering I put on earlier. The mini is then finished off with strong tone wash across the base and the leather straps. And that will be it for the blue brutes. Not much different from the red brutes really, but that does make sense with how the game looks anyway. I do prefer the blue to the red however, as it's just easier to paint up, which always helps with getting things done. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You could also join Discord using the link in the description, where you can share anything you have been hobbying on, or just hang out and chat. I hope you enjoyed the video and found it useful. If you did, don't forget to drop the like and subscribe for more content. Most importantly though, be kind to each other.